Yep, I'm live. Hey, it's your boy Cash King. I'm kind of a little new to this. I'm streaming on, Twitch and YouTube at the same time. I try to do TikTok. I don't know what's going on with TikTok. But let me go ahead and go live. But yeah, I hope you guys' day are going pretty good. Like mine is. You know what I mean? And what I usually do, I just trade. I trade NAS100 in gold, and let me delete this off here. Dang, I guess all that stuff deleted on it, right? It looks like it did. But anyway, I won 2, and I lost 1. I lost 1 yesterday. I think I did an analysis Sunday, I believe. That was Sunday. Was that Monday? But anyway, I was in NAS100. I said NAS100 was gonna go down Sunday, but I think that's when I had audio problems. So maybe Monday is when I fixed that. So Monday and Tuesday, I believe, because yesterday was Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday, I believe I don't know how many points I caught on NAS, but TP was hit. And Wednesday, I lost. So today, I'm hoping I can win. And, hopefully everything goes good today and I can be 3-1. So let's do this. I'm ready. Let me turn this up a little, maybe just a hair. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go NAS100. Let me see what gold doing first, cause I'm still in gold. Okay, I'm still kind of in drawdown a little bit. That's cool. All right, NAS. So I'm just gonna look at it right now and see what it's doing. Okay, price was at one time moving up on the 1 hour. Boom, 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 boom. Price started moving down, boom, which broke this, a higher low, broke this higher low because it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it just started moving down and broke through here, and there have been no type of retestment back into this area. So I don't know if it's going to push up today. It could. But I'm looking for price to probably continue to push down. But let's look at the 4 hour. Let's look at the higher time frame. Let's see. Welcome to the stream. Okay. So that looks like an uptrend to me. Definitely look like an uptrend. Boom, 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 boom. Broke through right here. And hopefully we can get that retest to the upside, so I can probably catch a buy, hopefully today. But if not, then I see price coming down here. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my supplies and my demands. I'm probably gonna just do it on a 1 hour. So I'm gonna call this my supply right here, because price broke out. I really can't call it a supply and demand because price didn't come back to it. Well, it was a demand, but price didn't come back to it. I'm gonna call it supply. All right, mark up that supply. There's a couple supplies as well. And I'm not really a good teacher, so I mean, if I sound like this, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna have to keep doing this. Supply. And this gonna be my supply. So this is gonna be my supply and my demand. Since price came down, rejected from it, and then broke through, and now it's rejected again. So supply and demand. I'm just call that SD. Alright. So where I think price probably gonna come to today. And I'm not really about to teach nothing, honestly. I'm just gonna go based on what I know, what I see. Because the main reason why I'm streaming is basically to you gotta already know how to trade forex. Because I'm not really a good teacher, and I don't plan on teaching. Who knows? But I don't plan on teaching. I just want to show that I'm good at this, and whoever knows how to trade forex could also make money with me. So I'm gonna call this my demand zone. So there's two places it can go. It can go to this demand, or it can possibly go to this supply, well, three, or this supply. So that's it. That's what I think it's gonna do. But yeah, that's it. This demand, this supply, or this supply. I'm not really about to go into too much details about it. If you trade forex, you can get in when I get in, but that's up to you. I'm not responsible for your loss. It is what it is. So 9:30 is when the stock market opens. So I'm gonna wait till 9:30. Probably get a little boring. You know, that's forex. But hey, it is what it is. I turn the music up though. And I don't know who's watching. You know, comment below if you're watching. You know, if anybody watching, shoot, comment below. So I can interact with you and maybe explain what Forex is. And I even go, I'm not gonna really go into detail about it, but I look it up for you and stuff like that. So maybe this could be something that you wanna do in life, you know, where you can make, you know, money. You know what I mean? But I'm on demo right now. Next week, I'm gonna put money in here, and this is demo. I don't know if you can see it, but this is demo. But next week I'll be live. So when I say live, like real money in there. So I'm trying to flip that to like 10K. So if you follow me, you're gonna see that I'm gonna do my best to try to flip it to 10K. So yes, sir. I'm gonna go to my Twitch to see if it's Twitch or YouTube. Anybody watching? Okay, somebody watching on Twitch. Okay, cool. Alright, bet. That's how you do it. I think this, I go here, right? Okay, yep. This is it. So it goes on both streams, I believe, right? Two streams. I don't know how to do all that. Maybe I'm gonna do that right quick. But give me a second, guys. Authorize. Alright, bet. There we go. Now let me do welcome again. Welcome to the stream. It should go to both of my streams, YouTube and Twitch. I think that's how it go. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go. Alright, let's get it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put target where I think it could go to. If you trade Forex, comment below, you know what I mean? So we both can make money today, you know what I mean? I'm not really planning on teaching nobody, not yet. I'm not really a good teacher, so. And I don't know how long, I don't know who's watching, but I'm gonna just say this. I don't plan on putting money into Forex again until next week. So next Monday or next Tuesday. So this is demo money. What I'm showing you is demo money. The balance is 1,034 demo money. So if you want to come back next week, you see me trade real money. But I still have rules. I still have rules with this demo because it's gonna be rules with this with the live account. So still gonna be the same. Still gonna be the same. So it's gonna be target. I'll put red. Let me put green. What I'm doing. What I'm doing. I didn't know what I'm doing. Duplicate it. Target. No, forget it. That's my target. Was that the supply I was saying it was gonna come to? I think it was, yeah. Because this is gonna be my entry. I'm gonna put entry right here. It's gonna be my entry. And I think I said this was my target as well if I was to sell it. So I'm gonna make this red. Alright, so target. So it just depends on what it do. If price continue to push down, it's gonna be my target. If price continue to push up past here, it's my entry zone. I just gotta find my entry zone on for the sell. I gotta find that. What time it is now? 14 too. Trying to see if I want to I don't want to take no sell stops or buy stops right now. I really don't. I don't think I do. Not right now until after 9:30. Because 9:30 is when the stock market's open. And everybody knows that when the stock market opens at 9:30, prices go crazy for NAS. I don't know about gold. I think gold too. I believe gold too, but I know NAS for sure. Let me look at US 30. What US 30 doing? US 30 dropping. What I predicted. US 30 definitely dropping. Okay, let's go back to NAS. But if you trade Forex, comment below, man. You know? Let me get to know you. Still trying to get used to this mess. I ain't gonna lie. I'm still trying to get used to it. Ah, that makes sense. Or maybe I can't use this music then. That's ridiculous, bro. Let me see, do other people had that problem? Man, you have a lot of views. You're free to use this song in any of your videos, but you must include the following in your video description. Ah, that makes sense. So that's why. Okay. That makes perfect sense. So I must include this. Got it. Got it. Okay, how do I add that to the description now? Let's go. I don't know how to do that. Hold on. Is this it? Live stream. Yep, I gotta edit that right quick. I'm just gonna edit it. I don't really care. I don't really care. I just added when I'm done. Forget it. I just added when I'm done. Alright. It's always something, right? Always something. Okay. So, got 9 minutes. 9 minutes until 9. Got 9 minutes. 9 minutes until 9:30. But hopefully, price decides to push up. But I think it's gonna push down more than pushing up. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a short position. Short position. Boom. It's gonna come down here. Let me make this a little brighter. Bring it down just a little bit. I put it above this rejection zone, just in case. And after 9:30, I could say during 9:30, or before, I could just put a sell stop right here. That's what I could do. Or should I wait? Because if I do that, and let's say 9:30 it was to get me in a trade, but then it comes right back up, then what? You know what I mean? So I wonder if I should just wait. Because some traders trade after 9:30 just so it won't be no so they won't get faked out, no manipulation going on. Because that's what 9:30 usually do. It manipulates you. It makes you think one way, but it's another. So I'm just trying to figure out what time is best for me to enter in my trades. Because I want to see a pullback. If price could pull back, to this supply zone, price could pull back to this supply zone, then I'd be okay with that. I'd be okay with maybe tomorrow selling. I sell again. But since price came down to this demand zone and then pushed up right here and stopped right here and then pushed right back down, that's kind of telling a story. I mean, it's kind of telling a story. Like, okay, well, price came up here, stopped, and started pushing right back down. It tells me that price not finished pushing down yet. So, and price barely even touched it like this. You can see a big difference. Price literally touched it and then rejected from it. Price barely touched it. So I want to see price come down a little bit more and touch it again, if anything. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm starting to lean more into the sell than buy. But the only way I know if price was to continue to push down and cross this area, just cross this and start pushing down, or price push past here, then I would know what's gonna happen. I could just risk it for the biscuit. I could do that. I could risk it for the biscuit and put my stop loss above here and then take that sell. I could do that. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for 9:30. Once 9:30 hit, it's gonna tell me where it's gonna go. I'll wait for that manipulation candlestick, and then it's gonna start to push right where it's been trying to go this whole time. So I'm gonna just wait. I want to get in now, but I don't want to get faked out, and then, I feel some type of way. I'm trying to be that three wins and 1 loss right now, not 2 out of 2. No, I'm not trying to do that. I don't want it to be 2 wins and 2 losses. Nah, I'm not trying to do that. I'm not for that. Yes, sir. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Tell me I'm ready. Ready. I want to know how could I better this stream. Like I want to just stream like this. I want to do this a lot. But I feel like people won't understand. Like I don't know. I feel like people won't understand me type shit. You know what I mean? Like that's how I feel. Because people won't understand that I'm not trying to teach. Maybe I should probably put that in the description or something. Let people know I'm not trying to teach. Then you trade with me. I call it out, and you trade with me. Let you know what I'm getting at, and you trade with me. It's up to you. And if you make money, you make money. If you lose money, you lose money. I'm not really trying to teach nobody, so that's what I'm gonna start putting in my description. I'm not teaching. I'm basically trading live. That's all I'm doing. Trading live. I'm not really going over no analysis, not like that. Not trying to. You know, I really don't want to do that. You know, I guess by me marking up my supplies and my demands, or where I think it's gonna come to, you know, that can be considered as, you know, teaching, but I'm not really trying to teach. So, I don't know. I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes to 9:30. 2 minutes to 9:30. I like how it's pushing up though. I really like how it's pushing up. Okay, since price pushed this way, it stopped right here. Price started pushing right back down. It just looked like it's gonna sell me. I'm getting more of a sell. Getting more of a sell. That's what I'm getting. But I see that price need to push up though. You need to pull back, but it's not guaranteed. It's not really guaranteed. It looked like price tried to push up as well. You know, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait to see if it's gonna come up here, or if it comes up here, then I could take my buy up here and take it to here possibly. Take my buy right here, take it up. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me delete the sell stop. I mean, not the sell stop. The short position. I think that's what I'm interested in, because it looks like it tried to break above here. Well, it did break above here, but it pulled right back under. So that maybe it's trying to tell me something. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. Hold up. Boom. Have my stop loss below here and target this supply right here. That'd be a nice little move. A lovely move. Alright, it's 9:30. Let's see what it's gonna do. And 9:45 got some news too, so 9:45 should probably, you know, make it volatile as well. Okay. Okay. Price probably be pushing down. It might push down. Yup, that's what it's doing.